The chicken foot has stressed me out. It keep on popping up on me, burning me. So the chicken foot is nice and thawed out. Let me little toesies, look at that. I'm going to now clean them up and season. Look at the little paw, more paw. Little toesies. They're so cute. Should I still eat them? Yes, I should. Now that I have completed removing the toenails of my chicken feet, I'm going to now wash them in some vinegar water. I normally use vinegar and lime, but I don't have any lime, so I'm just going to use some vinegar. You see how pretty and clean they are. I wash these 3 times and then I pour the vinegar on it. Okay, so now that I've finished washing, look at that, beautiful. Then I'm going to season it up with some chicken season. It says black pepper, but it's garlic powder in there. This is salt and some black pepper. Listen, we reuse everything in this household. Everything. Okay, so I allowed the water to boil for 10 minutes and then I add the chicken feet. I'm going to now leave this to boil for about 2 hours or until it's tender. It's not quite done yet. Okay, so I'm going to make my tomato sauce. I have pepper, scallion, I don't have any onion sadly, garlic. How many cloves are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8 or 6? Yeah, 8. No, 9. 10 tomato. Well, tomato and a salad tomato, the one that is sliced, because I only had 2 tomatoes. So I'm going to put this in the blender and blend it. Okay, so I re-seasoned my boiled chicken feet. Just waiting the oil to be hot and then I begin frying. Alright, so I'm also going to prepare the pasta pot, spaghetti pot. The last time I made this, I fried up some sausage in the oil, but I'm just frying up some garlic in it. Alright, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. This is a half tablespoon, so 2 of this to make 1 tablespoon. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of flour paste to thicken the sauce. The chicken feet has stressed me out. It keep on popping up on me, burning me. Nice and thick. See that? I'm gonna add the pasta now. There we have it, fried chicken feet. Yo, them give me a long time. Okay, after the many burns, this is the finished meal.